guys, Simone SHARICE. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my 10-minute sew-in. But before we go further, be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys follow me on the gram. I'm wearing the 10-minute sew-in and it's kind of like a U-part wig. I also have a closure on. In total, this entire hairstyle without styling took me 35 to 40 minutes. It was really easy, really quick hairstyle. Anybody can do it. You don't even have to sew anything down. You can literally like attach clips to it. So I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my hair with a lot of bodies. Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. Now I'm gonna go in with my hard brush and brush out my tangles. I'm gonna do a middle part. I don't really want a side part, so this is how the closure looks. And since we have a closure, I'm gonna actually go ahead and part it right down the middle. And I'm not gonna do small, tiny braids because the whole point of this sewing is for it to be like a 10-minute sewing. I mean, obviously the braid portion is gonna take more time. And I'm just gonna go ahead and braid straight down. Your braids don't have to be tight, guys. If your hair is thicker, like way thicker than mine, and you know you cannot do big braids, guys, don't force it. My hair is not as thick, so I can kind of get away with it sometimes. Don't want it to be your braids to be that big because then your hair won't lay flat and it'll look bulky. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and connect the braid just to make my life a little bit easier. Like this finger got injured recently, so I kind of can't braid with this. So the fact that I'm braiding with 9 fingers right now, Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and put on the 10-minute sewing. This is how it looks on the inside. It comes with these 2 side pieces, these like mesh pieces, and this is like if it was too big for your head, you can go ahead and cut these parts off. And then there's like these little tabs right here. So 1, 2, and 3, and this allows you to sew the 10-minute sewing onto your head. These 3 tabs and right here as well. So the closure is the same exact texture and it matches. But like if you didn't want to wear the closure, you don't have to. But I'm gonna try this on for fun really quick, so let me just see. I haven't worn a closure in so long, so I think I want to leave out a little bit of my hair. I don't want to sew all the way back here. I kind of want to bring it up a little bit more. And I'm holding it really sturdy in place because I don't want it to move. And then as you're going around, don't tighten it too much because you don't want to pull the closure back as you're doing it. You want to kind of keep it sitting up here. End of right here and I'm gonna attach it to right here. This part is down nice and nice. I mean nice and nice, wow. Nice and flat, but you see how it's still, like, this looks crazy. So this mesh piece right here, I'm just gonna sew along this lining and put it here. That I'm gonna make a part right here. And I'm gonna sew down right here so that it stays nice and flat. So when the wind blows, you can't see nothing. So another amazing thing about the 10-minute sewing, guys, is the fact that it has that open cap design. So that pretty much means, let me break it down for you, is when it's time for you to itch your scalp, you can
easily itch your scalp. It also allows for if you wanted to like moisturize your hair, or if you just wanted to like, you know, treat your scalp a little bit more, you can go ahead and do that with a 10-minute sewing. Whereas with a regular sewing, guys, you're kind of limited. This open cap design kind of allows for more ventilation and kind of makes your scalp more breathable. So wearing a protective style as easy as possible and allows for you to actually be able to take care of your hair. So I'm all for that. So this is the end result of the 10-minute sewing. I love the texture of this hair, and I've been doing a lot of kinky curly lately. And to be honest, I could say this is probably my favorite kinky curly. Like, it's just the way it falls and how full it is, like, but it's a different kind of full. Like, I did open up the part a little bit more. It kind of blends in really well. Like, look at that. That looks really good to me. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I literally just took the closure and put it on my head because I just, honestly, to be honest, I got lazy and I didn't feel like bleaching the knots. So it took me less than an hour, but it took me more than 25 minutes to do this because I had to braid the hair, then I had to sew on the closure, and then I had to just nip down the sides. The only con that I have is right here is so puffy. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I will have all the information down below in case you guys are super interested. Oh, the craziest thing is I didn't have shedding with this hair. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will have all the information down below for you guys.